Have you ever had a sudden leg cramp at night that made you open your eyes in pain? Believe me, it's not just you. Millions of people suffer from this problem. Today, I will tell you why these leg cramps occur, what is the immediate treatment for them, and how you can avoid them forever. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. This video is especially for all those who are tired of leg pain and cramps. Friends, a leg cramp is a sudden and uncontrollable contraction of the muscles. It can last from a few seconds to a few minutes, and often occurs at night while sleeping or after sitting for a long time. This problem can be caused by several reasons. For example, 1. Lack of water or salts, especially potassium, calcium, and magnesium. 2. Standing or sitting for a long time. 3. Muscle fatigue after excessive exertion or exercise. 4. Poor blood circulation. 5. Sometimes this problem can also be caused by diabetes, thyroid, or neurological diseases. Easy and quick treatment. When you get a leg cramp, don't panic. Do this immediately. Straighten your foot and gently pull it towards you. Gently massage the affected area. Relax the muscles by placing a hot water bottle or towel. If the pain is severe, walk around a bit to improve blood flow. Home remedies and precautions. 1. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. 2. Include bananas, milk, green leafy vegetables, and dry fruits in your diet. 3. Massage your legs with coconut oil 5 to 10 minutes before going to bed. 4. Make a habit of light walks or exercise daily. 5. Do not sit or stand in one position for long. If the cramps are frequent or accompanied by numbness, swelling, or discoloration of the legs, consult a doctor immediately. Friends, leg cramps are a common but painful problem, but you can avoid them by adopting a few simple habits. If this video was useful for you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and tell us in the comments which home remedy you use. Have a good day.